Welcome everybody. Semester 5, TY 303, Unit 1 and 2, Electromagnetics and Antenna. Now, the question is, derive the Maxwell equation for steady and time varying electromagnetic field and obtain corrected Ampere's law. हमें मैक्सवेल के रिलेशन लिखना है, चारों रिलेशन, और उसमें जो एम्पियर्स का लॉ था उसमें मैक्सवेल ने जो टर्म ऐड किया, वो जो इक्वेशन है उसको करेक्टेड एम्पियर्स लॉ बोलते हैं। वो भी हम डिराइव करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉर वैक्यूम यू नो दैट डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ E इक्वल टू रो डिवाइडेड बाय एप्सिलॉन 0. दिस वन इज इक्वेशन ऑफ FYBFC. और सेम टू, you know that this one is divergence of electric field. Rho is the charge density, epsilon 0 is permittivity of a free space. I mean, there is a flux passing through surface area. Charge enclosed by surface is rho, and the law is divergence of E equal to rho divided by epsilon 0. Or you can say divergence of D equal to rho. D is called displacement vector. वो बाद में हम चर्चा करेंगे इसकी, लेकिन ये आप ध्यान रखिए। Divergence of E equal to rho divided by epsilon 0 is first Maxwell's relation. Now you know that Maxwell's another relation is divergence dot B. I mean divergence B or delta dot B equal to 0, equation number 2. That means you can say डाइवर्जेंस कोई भी वेक्टर का 0 होता है, उसका अर्थ है ये दिस टाइप ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज ए क्लोज्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. इनपुट फ्लक्स इक्वल टू आउटपुट फ्लक्स हियर. जैसे कि मैग्नेट को आप ड्रॉ करो, इसमें क्या है, जितनी ही लाइन साउथ पोल में अंदर जाती है उसकी उतनी ही लाइन नॉर्थ पोल में से बाहर निकलती है. सो इनपुट फ्लक्स इक्वल टू आउटपुट फ्लक्स. So divergence of B equal to 0, equation number 2. Third Maxwell's relation is curl of E equal to minus delta B by delta T. That means if there is a change of magnetic field with respect to time, you will get time dependent electric field or curly electric field. Curl means one type of a rotation. So this one is equation number 3. Now, fourth relation is called Ampere's law. It is called curl of J equal to J. So, curl of H equal to J. What is H? H is B equal to mu into H, you can say. Okay. So, let me say H is magnetizing intensity or source field. हम उसको source field बोल देंगे. B मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है और B इक्वल टू क्या होता है, म्यू इंटू H होता है. सो कर्ल ऑफ J, सो कर्ल ऑफ H इक्वल टू J, इट इज कॉल्ड एम्पियर्स लॉ. लेकिन इसमें क्या है, मैक्सवेल ने मालूम किया कि ये है कर्ल ऑफ J, सॉरी कर्ल ऑफ H इक्वल टू J. ओके, आप उसका क्या ले, डाइवर्जेंस ले. ये जो इक्वेशन है उसका आप डाइवर्जेंस निकालो. So divergence of a curl, ये मैथमेटिकल रिलेशन है. डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ ए कर्ल ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0, ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ कर्ल ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स हियर टेक बोथ साइड डाइवर्जेंस. So divergence of J also equal to 0. So divergence of J equal to 0, it is true for steady state. Steady state means time independent state. Why it is so? Divergence of J equal to 0. You know that equation of continuity in your SYBSC. You know that divergence of J plus del rho by del T equal to 0. This is time varying equation. It is equation of continuity. But when del by del T term equal to 0, it is called time independent equation. It is called steady state equation. So divergence of J equal to 0. For steady state, you can say divergence of J equal to 0. So, when divergence divergence of j equal to 0. So divergence of a curve equal to 0. Left hand side 0. Divergence of j equal to 0. Divergence of curl of h equal to 0 equal to divergence of j equal to 0. It is true for steady state. Here it is true for steady state. But it is not true for time varying field, because divergence of j actually what is this? Minus del rho by del t. For time varying field, this equation is wrong. So Maxwell observed that B also produced from current density as well as time varying field. ये जो H और B प्रोड्यूस होता है, ये क्यों प्रोड्यूस होता है? J की वजह से. What is J? Okay, J equal to I by A. When any current passing through conductor, that produces magnetic field. Magnetic field means B equal to mu into H like this. Okay. So current और current density की वजह से H और B प्रोड्यूस होता है. इसी तरह ही टाइम वेरिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वाला टर्म इसमें इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो तो भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होगा, ऐसा मैक्सवेल ने कहा है. क्यों? दिस वन इज ए बैटरी, दिस वन इज ए कंडक्टर, दिस वन इज ए कैपेसिटर. You passing the current, you join this circuit. When current passes, you can say due to this J is produced, due to J H or B also produced. Now again, what will happen? Capacitor is fully charged. After some time, it will be start to decrease. When you place here key, what will happen? Okay, this fully charged capacitor charge will be decreasing charge. This is depending on time. So del E by del term will be produced. Due to this, again this current produced here, and due to this current, you can say again there produce magnetic field. So for time varying electric field, there also produce, you can say from del E by del T also produce H. So again let me say J will be splitted into J, I mean 3 current density plus JD, I mean displacement current density. Okay, displacement current or displacement current density. So instead of J, we can place two terms, J plus JD. Okay, so this term, it is called missing term from Ampere's law. ये term है, हमको find out करना है, और उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Corrected Ampere's law. उसको फिर बाद में क्या बोलेंगे? Maxwell's fourth equation हम बोलेंगे. Okay, now let us start here. Curl of H plus J plus JD. This is the missing term. Again, you take delta dot curl of H, means divergence of a curl of H. Also, left hand side equal to 0. Clear? That means divergence of J plus divergence of JD. Of course. So divergence of J equal to minus divergence of JD, equation 4b. Clear? But you know that from equation of continuity, divergence of J equal to minus delta rho by del T. We should place it here. Place the value of divergence J equal to minus delta rho by del T. Equal to. Now again, place this value minus divergence of JD. Clear? Minus minus will become plus. Okay. But friends, we can place the value of rho from this equation number 1. What is rho? Rho equal to delta dot D for time varying field. Okay. So let me place the value here. The value of rho. Okay. Value of rho is what? Del by del T. Value of rho is delta dot D. ये delta dot D ये हमने place किया. ये हम place कर सकते हैं. Clear? Here. So rho की value हम place कर दो. Equal to delta dot JD. Why? Because rho equal to delta dot D. Now, what we should do here? Okay, delta is an operator. ये टाइम डिपेंडेंट ऑपरेटर है, ये स्पेस वाला ऑपरेटर है. इसको हम बाहर ले सकते हैं, इसको अंदर ला सकते हैं. सो डेल्टा डॉट डेल टी बाय डेल टी इक्वल टू डेल्टा डॉट जेडी. सो यू कैन से दैट डेल्टा डॉट it is common term. That means JD equal to what? Del T by del T. I mean current density, displacement current density equal to time dependent. Let me say D is the displacement vector. D is called displacement vector. So in this way we can find the value of JD. What is D? D is called displacement vector. Okay. So again let me write corrected Ampere's law. Okay, curl of H equal to J plus del D by del D. It is called corrected Ampere's law or Maxwell-Ford equation. Clear? So in this way we can find out corrected Ampere's law. We can derive this. Now again let me ask some question. Okay. Delta dot E. What is the relation? Delta dot D equal to, you should write rho divided by epsilon 0. What is delta dot D? You should write rho. Rho is a free charge density. Now, what is the value of divergence of D or divergence of magnetic field vector? You should write equal to 0. Okay. What do you mean by curl of E? Curl of E equal to, you should write minus del B by del D. From magnetic field, you can produce time dependent electric field. What is Ampere's law? Okay. Curl of H equal to J. What is J? J is called current density. What is H? B equal to mu into H. H is a source field due to H. Okay. H equal to N into I into current flowing through circuit. Okay. So H is called source field. Now, what is missing term in Ampere's law? Missing term in Ampere's law is JD. What is JD? Okay, JD equal to del D by del T. I mean time variation of displacement vector. D is called displacement vector. Now, write the equation of continuity. What is equation of continuity? Delta dot J plus del rho by del T is called equation of continuity, and it is the equation of time varying field. Okay. For steady state, divergence J equal to what? For steady state, divergence of J equal to 0. For time varying field, what is divergence of J? It will be equal to minus del rho by del T. Okay. So in this way, so many questions can ask you. Okay. And curl of H, finally we can write plus del D by del T. Let me write again. What is displacement vector? Okay. Displacement vector D. Displacement vector D equal to, displacement vector D equal to, okay, epsilon 0 into E plus P. Okay. Now, answer. What are the three vectors? Epsilon 0, it is a permittivity of a free space, 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. E is the electric field vector. P is polarization vector. P is called polarization vector. So, superposition of two vectors gives us superposition of electric field vector, and polarization vector gives us displacement vector. Thank you. You can take screenshot also.